this tree. Oh, maybe not in the tree. Are we in the tree? Oh yeah, we are in the tree. In the big tree. Okay, hopefully we're not too high in the tree. Anyway, anyway in the tree is not good. Alright, now we gotta figure out how to get her out of there. We're in a tree, guys. And I gotta figure out how to get out of there. Okay, battery number 2. 4.0 Lion. Like I said, hopefully my props aren't too damaged. I should have just landed in the grass over there. Gosh, they feel okay, so they shouldn't be too bad. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead. Let's go connect up. Park's starting to get a few people, but not in the places I'm flying. All right, this should launch, or this should set up. The GPS should find itself quickly. Alright, looks like we're good there. And we got a blue light on the camera. So let's go ahead, and I'm not even going to look at my goggles because I know for a fact we are going to be ready to go. So let's go ahead and get her. All line 4.0, battery 2. Alright. Now this one is a little bit hamstrung by the fact that I had to wait so long. But there should be a noticeable difference, and I do know that with this one we will get a noticeable flight difference. So let's go ahead and arm. All right, seems smooth. A little bit of vibration. Hopefully that vibration is not a contagious vibration that's going to make it contagious throughout the whole entire flight. I guess we can get a little bit of lose a prop kind of vibration. That's kind of what I'm afraid of right now. It's like, I'm gonna lose a prop on you, because that's what it seems like. And they felt good, and we're gonna fly it out. Getting ready for some softball games, it looks like. Stay over on this side of the park. There's some people enjoying their swim over there, so we will stay on this side. Get down in here. Stay away from those people. Alright. 3.8 volts. I guess we could go around the school. Let's see how our two linear antennas are doing. It's letting us go around the outside of the school. That's not bad. Go down to this and go down here. We know GPS Rescue has been working for us. We just want to stay away from people as much as we can, especially if they're enjoying themselves. Not a lot of cars, you can tell. And I am definitely doing some cruising. I've probably got some prop. I've definitely got some prop issues, but it looks like we're good. Let's get down there and let's find this tree. Oh, maybe not in the tree. Are we in the tree? Oh yeah, we are in the tree. in the big tree. And disarmed. Okay, hopefully we're not too high in the tree. Anyway, any way in the tree is not good. Oh boy. All right, now we got to figure out how to get her out of there. We're in a tree, guys. All right, switching off the mic, and I got to figure out how to get out of there. After reviewing the flight film, I have an idea where it's at, but I don't know how easy. It's definitely on the edge. I'm gonna have to really look at that. It's such a thick growth tree. I couldn't have picked the worst tree, but at least I'm not at the top of the tree, which is what my biggest fear is. I think at where I'm at, my biggest worry is it falling in the creek. There is a little bit of a creek, so it could fall into that. All right, I'm gonna go and give it another look and see if I can find it, see if I can actually get a glimpse of it. But I was coming in on the left side of the tree, and I was coming down, and I was just going to turn inside of it, and then I turned too soon. So there you go. Tree folly. Hey, this is Dad Random. And I asked you a question earlier. I said, what is the, what's the quality rating? How could I define the R-Line 4.0? Well, this is how I can define it right now, because if that thing saves my drone, which is up in this tree right here, and I can't find it, it's beeping again. I can hear it beeping. And I have no idea where it's at. But if I can find that and it stays beeping until evening so I can see the lights flashing, because that's the only way I'm going to be able to find it. I have yet to be able to locate it, so you can. I'll give you a go-go bird. It's the new go-go bird challenge. The elusive go-go bird. If you can find it in this tree, then I'm going to give it to you. So, Dead Random. And the R-Line 4.0, 1400. It takes a beating, sits on a tall cottonwood tree, and it just keeps on beeping. So we'll find it. Hopefully we can get a beep tonight. All right, that's about the only thing I can think of. Later. I'll come back maybe this afternoon when it's not 200 degrees out. Bye. That's my newest Dad Random challenge. Is where is Dad Random's? Where's his quad? Where's Mr. Croc? Can you find Mr. Croc in the tree? Because if you could, it would make my day. I will get it down, guys. It will come down. I've already been up in the tree. I just gotta have an idea where it's at, and I will get her down. Later. It's 90 degrees, so I'm going in. Bye. Alright, this is Dad Random, and I've got right in my hand here, this is called the drone retriever, and basically what it is I took, show you this thing. I took basically a come along, and I tied a rope to it. So I'm going to throw it over that. I'm going to throw this over the branch, and then I really don't want to hook the branch. What I want to do is get it over the branch, and then I'm going to grab both sides and then move the branch around and see if I can shake it out. All right, that's the plan. Dead random drone retrieval tool. If it works, I'll be telling you all about it tonight on my Friday stream. All right, this is Dad Random, and I think I've got it. I think I've got on the branch, and it's starting to move. So, wish me luck. This could be one of my greatest achievements ever in the history of Dad Random, because I'm ready to cry right now if I can't get it out. And this rope stands between me and being able to get it out. And you know how emotional we get at these times that, you know, mark the difference between a man and a quitter. And I'm no quitter. I'm going to get this drone out of this tree. Dead random. Here we go. Well, I got it out of that branch just to have it drop down onto this bigger branch right here. It's right above my head. I think I can get it out of there. That's an easy throw. I can get it out. All right, let me see if I can. So it's off the high branch. Here we go. Next step is hopefully getting my apparatus out of the tree and then get it down. Oh man, it's been a long day. See that rope there? Let me tell you something. Mark of a man is how hard he is and how willing he is to retrieve his drone. There it is. Guys, I will not be defeated. Look what I would have lost. And my balance lead disconnected. Probably saving my battery. But the battery's probably dead. All right, let's get this mark of manhood off my drone. I'm going to actually keep this puppy, save it, because I'm saving it for tonight on my live stream. But me and Mr. Croc back together again, and it looks like life is going to be good. Yes. All right. Oh man, picker in my shoe. Ow. Right, Dead Random. Victory. Victor tree. Difference between a quitter and a drone flyer is how damn hard you're willing to work to retrieve your drone from a tree. Oh my God, my feet. There's pickers all over them. Later. Talk to you in a little bit. Live stream coming. Bye. All I gotta say is thank you, Drone Jesus. There is a Drone Jesus. There is one. So never give up. Go into that freaking tree and retrieve what's yours. Retrieve that property. Don't just let it sit there. Flight tests and then some ending voltages, and then we'll look at the times. Let's see what. Of course, there's definitely a feel. I did fly the 1400 the other day, and there are some noticeable feeling differences, meaning that it definitely would be higher sea rate. They are